the penguin a curious creature indeed. Did you know they possess a rather unique talent? Yes, they can drink seawater. Now you might be wondering, but how do they manage that without getting sick from the salt? Well, it's all thanks to a special gland hidden right behind their eyes. This gland, my friends, filters out all the salt from the water they gulp down. The expelled salt is then excreted through a rather unlikely path, their beaks. So while you and I may scrunch our faces at the taste of seawater, penguins simply carry on sipping away with a salty grin. Quite the clever adaptation, wouldn't you agree? Who knew the humble penguin was such a salty sea dog? Stay curious, my friends, and keep unraveling the mysteries of the animal kingdom.